Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to buy stocks on the Charles Schwab app. First, download the Charles Schwab mobile application to your smartphone or tablet. Once installed, open the app and log in securely using your existing Schwab account username and password. Before you begin, make sure your account is funded with enough capital to cover your desired stock purchases. This ensures a smooth and uninterrupted trading experience. Once logged in, navigate to the trading section of the app. You'll typically find a trade icon at the bottom of your screen. Tap on it. From the trading menu, select Stocks and ETFs to begin your stock search. Now, use the search bar to find the specific company you wish to invest in. You can search by company name or, more efficiently, by its unique ticker symbol, like Apple for Apple. After finding your desired stock, you'll see its current price and other important financial details. Carefully review this information. Next, specify the number of shares you want to buy. You can purchase as little as 1 share. Then, select your order type. A market order buys at the current best available price, while a limit order lets you set a maximum price you're willing to pay, offering more control. Before finalizing your purchase, the app will present a detailed review screen. Double-check all the information, including the number of shares, the estimated price, and the total cost of your investment. If everything looks correct, tap the Confirm button to submit your buy order. You can then track the status of your order and view your new holdings in the Orders or Positions section of the app.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.